Check the position of the transport lock. The locking bar must be unlocked for the next step. A green dot must be visible. Turn the skew axis 90 degrees clockwise. Loosen the M12 connector anti-clockwise by hand. If it is too difficult, you can alternatively use polygrip pliers to loosen it. Loosen the 4 M3X10 Allen screws with a 2.5 Allen key L or T handle approximately 1 to 2 mm. Keep to the same sequence as shown. The lower two M3 screws can be removed completely. Now also remove the right-hand screw completely. Remove the last screw while holding the IMU box and pulling it forward. This will make it easier to get the screw out later. Insert the M3X10 Allen screw with toothed lock washer and extra washer into the IMU box on the top left-hand side using a 2.5 Allen key. Make sure to start there, as this point is difficult to reach afterwards. Now screw in the screw but do not tighten it, keep holding the IMU box. Screw in the second M3X10 Allen screw with a toothed lock washer and extra washer on the right side at the top. Do not tighten it yet. Now screw in the third M3X10 Allen screw with toothed lock washer and extra washer on the bottom left-hand side. Again, do not tighten. Fasten the last Allen screw with both washers on the bottom right-hand side. Now tighten all the screws one by one. Please do this very carefully so that the casing is not damaged. Start with the screw at the top left. Next, tighten the screw at the bottom right. Then the bottom left. Lastly, tighten the last screw on the top right. Fit the M12 connector to the IMU box. Please pay attention to the position of the plug. It only fits in one position. Tighten the connector by hand. Now tighten very lightly with the polygrip pliers or a flat 19 mm open-ended spanner.